Bom dia. Bom dia para Chase. Bom dia para Mariah. Bom dia para Phoenix. E bom dia para Griffin. Hello, good morning. This is Grandma Michelle calling you by video to read a book. And I live in Brazil. Brazil is a little bit far from North Carolina and about the same distance from Baltimore, Maryland. But all the books I read are in English, even though sometimes I might say a few words in another language because the people in Brazil speak Portuguese. Bom dia is good morning. Do you remember the book we read the last time about the eggs? 7 eggs. Can you remember all of the eggs? I'm going to try to remember. You can help me out. Let's see. The first egg was a crocodile? I'm going to cheat. Nope, the first egg was a baby penguin. The second egg was a crocodile. What was number 3? I think it was a big egg. I think I better look. Oh, it was a baby ostrich. Do you remember number 4? I think number 4 was a skinny egg, not very big. And it wasn't round, it was kind of long. It was a frilled lizard. A frilled lizard, that's right. And then there came a round egg that you might find near a beach. It was a baby turtle, So we have a baby penguin, a crocodile, an ostrich, a turtle, a frilled lizard. I think I got them out of order. And number 6 was a baby barn owl, a baby barn owl. And what was number 7? Do you remember? It was something to eat. One big egg with little eggs inside, and they were all chocolate. That's right. Well, today we're going to read a different book. It's also an old book. I don't remember where this book came from, and it doesn't have a name inside, but it's called The Wind in the Willows, and it's a pop-up book. That means when you open, the pictures pop up. I like books like that. Let's read The Wind and the Willows. Mole spent all morning cleaning his home. "Oh, bother," he said. "I'd rather take a walk." Here he is, cleaning his house, thinking about taking a walk. As he was strolling along the riverbank later, Mole saw Rat on the far shore. "Hello!" he cried. "Hello!" "Will you join me for lunch?" asked Rat. They packed a picnic basket and set off in Rat's boat. The two friends had a fine lunch under a tree. "Good afternoon, boa tarde," they called as Toad rode by. "Let me row," said Mole on the way home. He grabbed the oars so suddenly the boat tipped over. And I forgot, I should have been bringing the pages closer to the camera. I'll go back at the end and show you the pictures. At Rat's house, they changed their wet clothes, built a warm fire, and had a cheerful night. And it's not a very long book, so we'll go back and look at the pictures. Here's Mole cleaning his house. He wasn't very happy because he wanted to go out. Here he is later, going out, and he sees his friend Rat on the other side of a little stream. He says, "Hello! Oi! Oi!" He might have called if he lived in Brazil. Oh, we skipped a page. Here's this page. Mr. Rat says, would you like to have something to eat? Let's have a picnic. So they go and they eat under a tree. And then they see Toad rowing by. And Toad says, "Good afternoon. Boa tarde. Boa tarde." And here's the last page. I'm afraid Mr. Mole got a little bit anxious and decided to row. He did it too fast and poof, they all fell out. They got so wet they had to go back and stand by the fire. And that is the end of the book. The Wind in the Willows, with a little title that says The River Bank. This was a book that was written a long time ago with more words and more pictures. But they took that story and put it in this little book for small boys and girls. I hope you like that book. And now I'm going to tell you goodbye. Ciao. Ciao. Goodbye can be said many ways in Portuguese, but the one most used is just ciao. And I always like to say that I love you before I say goodbye. So let me say, eu te amo. Ciao.